Okay guys, I want to tell you what I did. I rewrapped the pipes. What I originally did was up here, I had them going all the way up to the flange, and it makes it really hard to take the pipes on and off, to get to your bolts in there and to pull the flange back. Now I have to put one more band here. I sent away for more bands. I'm going to put one more band here. That one's good down there. You see down here I have to put a band in the same place. And then over here we're putting one more band up here. So we'll need another band on top of that one. One down here and then one underneath that one, so they'll all be symmetrical. And this does blow out blue flames at night. I think I'm going to stick with this. Now I have a copper bracket that I'm going to make as soon as I get my electricity back in the garage here. I'm going to make a copper bracket for that. You guys wouldn't believe how hard it is to get an electrician to do this. Nobody wants to work. I'm already on my fourth person. I have people come in here. They say, I'll call you back with an estimate, and I never hear from them. So, now the bands should be here tomorrow, so I'll finish that off tomorrow. But I love them. I love those drag pipes, and I think the motorcycle is easier to control with those because they get the gases evacuate a lot faster out of the engine. So I'm going to set this up. We're going to close the door, and you're going to see the blue flames in the bike. Okay guys, let's start this going up here. Leave the exhaust on just a little bit. You know what, I better put my my block in back of the tire. The fuck was that? I don't want to lose that. Okay, to get rid of some compression in these cylinders. What I do on startup is I press my compression releases down. That way there. I mean, you don't have to do that on these. I do it. It gives a little bit less stress and strain on the starter. As you can see guys, I had to re-wet down the exhaust wrap, so it's gonna steam up for a couple days again. Boy, my neighbor's dog goes crazy when he hears this. So, okay, but you can reuse that as long as it's fairly new. You know, like I only had it on I think for 2 days. Then I was able to dunk it back in the bucket, dunk it back in water, and I reused it. But if you have your exhaust wrap on for a long time and you try to reuse it, it becomes too brittle. So yeah, here's our box. What I want is I want to replace this with a new box. And I'm going to have my laundry room rewired, my kitchen rewired, and in here in the garage rewired. So we're going to see a guys, an electrician's coming over here at 11 o'clock, and I'll see what he says. Wish me luck, and I'll see you all later.